Hi everybody, this is Kurt with Specialties Automotive. Just wanted to walk around this 2016 Audi TT Quattro. It's a beautiful car and plenty of fun to drive. Let's check it out. So like I said before, this has Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. So not only do you get a fast, sporty car, but it's great in bad weather conditions. Has the backup sensors and the backup camera. Very convenient for when you're parking so you don't run into anything. Wheels and tires are in good shape. As you can see, the car's in really great condition. Here's a view of the driver's side. Alright, and here's a view of the engine. This has a 2.0 liter inline 4, 220 horsepower. Plenty of power for the small car, tons of fun to drive. Tires in great condition. Alright, let's check out the interior. Has blind spot assist, that's one thing I love, so you don't hit into anything. The seats are absolutely gorgeous with the diamond stitching. Has Audi's new digital cockpit, so you can change it to a map, to whatever you'd like, all in the speedometer or the instrument cluster. 2 back seats. Okay, let's check out the trunk. Plenty of space for a small car. The one thing I love is that it's actually a hatchback, so the top lifts up, and so it gives you a lot of space. Okay, here's the passenger side. It does have all-weather floor mats all throughout, which is nice. Has navigation, all of that good stuff. You can put in a SIM card so you can have 3G or I believe even 4G everywhere you go. Alright, that'll do it for this TT. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.